Set up house, unpacking the phrase for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the phrase, set up house. This is a common expression in English that has a practical, everyday meaning. If you're curious about what it entails and how to use it in a sentence, you're in the right place. Set up house refers to the process of establishing a household. It means to arrange and organize a place where you live, making it comfortable and functional as a home. This can involve buying furniture, setting up utilities, and personalizing the space to your tastes. The phrase, set up house, has a cozy, somewhat old-fashioned feel to it. It's been used for generations to describe the milestone of moving into a new home and making it one's own. It's especially relevant for newlyweds or anyone starting a new chapter in their lives. To help you understand how to use set up house, let's look at some examples. After the wedding, the couple decided to set up house in the countryside. Setting up house can be exciting, but it also involves a lot of work. It's interesting to note that set up house may evoke different images in different cultures. For some, it might mean a big, family home, while for others, a simple apartment. The core idea remains the same, creating a space that feels like home. And that's a wrap on set up house. Whether you're moving into a dorm room or a new apartment, you now know that setting up house is all about creating your own cozy corner in the world. We hope this video helps you as you set up your own house or explain the concept to others. Happy homemaking!